What case are you on?
Morning, I'm here on Michael Wright.
Michael Wright. Oh. You are. Good, how are you?
Morning, Kate. Good morning, Al.
Good morning.
morning.
All right. Anyone need to check in that has not checked in?
Good morning. It's Robert Hayes here for Monty Portal, the prosecutor on the case.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you, Mr. Hayes.
Mr. Hayes, are you also with me this morning on another case?
In Judge Giovan's?
Yeah.
No, they sent an email saying that the judge is not in today and they're trying to reschedule it.
Okay, thanks for the update.
Counselor on Michael I'm sorry, Michael Wright. Your client is not in the waiting room. Did you want to wait or are you waiving his appearance?
No, I'm going to waive his appearance.
Right. Attorney Judith Grady.
Hey, good morning. I'm on Erin Ware. I don't see her. I don't know if you do.
No, she or he is not in the room either.
I have to wait then because the only phone number I saw in Discovery, she's not calling me back.
Okay. Wayne County Jail.
Good morning,
Good morning. Who do you have?
Jonathan Lytle.
What's the last name?
Judge King.
No, this is Judge Giles.
You. Sorry about
All right. That's okay.
Good morning.
Morning.
Jordan Robinson. It's a waiver.
Jordan Robinson. All right, Jordan Robinson is in the waiting room. I'm gonna bring him in.
Okay, thank you. Morning, T.
Morning. Good morning, Attorney Brown.
Good morning. I'm checking in on Cerrone Graves.
All right, I don't see them in the waiting room. Are you waiving their appearance?
I could, yeah. I mean, I could do that.
Who did I miss? Mr. Bradford, Attorney Cody Bradford.
Good morning. I'm here for Mark Capers.
All right.
Thank
I
you.
don't see your client in the waiting room. Are you waiving their appearance?
Yes, please. I'll make sure to contact him after court.
All right. All right, I'm ready whenever.
36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now assessed with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding. You may be seated.
Parties ready on Michael Wright? Calling
Yes,
case
ready.
number. Calling case number 2357437, the people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Wright. Defendant is charged with count 1, malicious destruction of a building, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Count 2, malicious destruction of a building, $200 or but less than $1,000. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, PA 6029.
And good morning, Your Honor. Stanford Schulman, P43230, appearing on behalf of Michael Wright.
Mr. Right on. You're waiving his appearance?
Yes, Your Honor. I did receive the discovery and I wrote him a letter to his address on Franklin Road. I received no response, and I also attempted to email him at the email that was provided on the assignment, no response. But I'm perhaps asking the court to set it for an in-person exam. I'll waive his appearance.
All right, waive his appearance for the purposes of this hearing.
Yes.
Matter for exam. September 25th at 10 o'clock.
That I can't do it that day, Judge. I'm out that day. Sorry.
You in trial or without me?
It's a holiday that day, Judge.
Oh. September 26th at 9:15.
Okay. September 26, 9:15.
Anything else?
Nothing else on behalf of the defense.
All right. That concludes the hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Parties ready on Aaron Ware?
Ready.
Your client is on to Ms. Grady. She just payment.
Is it, can I have a breakout with her or at least her phone number? Or when she gets on there, I'll ask for it.
Miss, where are you on?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney, okay?
Okay.
Accept the invite.
Thank you.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I can't see this. Um, oh, shit. Parties ready on Jordan Robinson. Calling case number 2358436, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jordan Robinson. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing, 3rd-degree vehicle code. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, PH 6029.
Schedule. You're on mute, please.
George Shedrow, P41732, on behalf of Jordan Robinson, who's present, and we agreed to do this hearing by Zoom, Your Honor.
Mr. Robinson, can you state your name for the record?
My name is Jordan Robinson.
All right, Mr. Robinson, in the future, please be aware, I don't do t-shirts or sweats in my courtroom, even on Zoom. So next time, please dress for work, dress for court. All right?
Okay.
Thank you. Mr. Shedrow?
At this time, Your Honor, I talked to my client. He wishes to waive his preliminary examination.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Robinson, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having the opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
And do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, sir.
All right, and Mr. Shedrow, do you have any objections to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, Your Honor.
All right, court will find you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam and are bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be October 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bonds continued.
Everybody have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Yes, you too.
Mr. Robinson, I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Calling case number 2358812, the people of the state of Michigan versus Sharoni Graves. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, PH 6029.
And Brian Brown, P80560, appearing on behalf of Mr. Sharoni Graves, who should be present on Zoom. He stated he was. Mr. Graves, the record.
Got him on?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. Mr. Graves, please state your name for the record.
Jerome Graves.
Judge, we're requesting a in-person preliminary examination. I'm also like to request a digital discovery. I did receive paper discovery, but I believe there are a number of body cameras from the officers involved in this particular incident that I would like to view.
All right, well, set the matter for an exam, but you're gonna have to send in an order on the discovery.
Absolutely. And Judge, if we can set that for possibly October the 2nd, reason being is I have a first-degree murder trial that starts on the 25th of next week, and it's probably going to go all week.
Okay, can you every document October 2nd?
Already October.
Hmm?
Already October.
Yeah.
Like the whole week or just the Monday?
Just a Monday right now.
Save them up.
All right, October 2nd, 9 o'clock.
That's a good date and time.
Thank you.
October 6th, 9 o'clock.
All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that'll conclude the hearing. Bonds continued. Mr. Graves, you can sign out now.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Leave button. Okay. Leave me.
Calling case number 2358544, the people of the state of Michigan versus Aaron Ware. Defendant is charged with count 1, home invasion first degree, count 2, robbery unarmed, count 3, malicious destruction of a building, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86O29.
Good morning, Your Honor. Judith Grady on behalf of Aaron Ware, P44567. Miss Ware, state your name for the record, please.
Aaron Ware.
Your Honor, my client would like to have a preliminary exam. Miss Ware, is your video on?
September 25th at 10:45.
That'll be great, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
In person, Miss Ware. I'll call you in a minute.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Parties ready on Mark Capers.
Yes, I'm here.
Calling case number 2358840, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mark Capers. Defendant is charged with count 1, larceny in a building, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. Cody Bradford with Neighborhood Defender Service, P85944. On behalf of Mr. Capers, Judge, I would request to waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing.
Waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing.
Thank you, Judge. Could we please set this for an in-person preliminary exam?
Oh, there you go.
You
I didn't know I-
available September 25th at 11 o'clock?
Judge, could we do the 26th? I already have 4 exams on the 25th.
2 of them with me.
Yeah, no, Judge. If you need me to, Judge, I can make the 25th happen.
Well, we need 26.
Okay, thank you.
26 at 9:30.
I have one at 9:30. Could we do 10? Or I can do 9.
Well, I already got 9. You can do 10 o'clock.
Okay, that works. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
And also, Mr. Henderson, I think that's who is there today. Could you please have digital discovery sent over? I do have paper discovery.
I'll get that to you this week.
Thank you. Nothing else from defense, Judge.
All right. Rounds continue.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Parties ready on Keyshawn Hill, calling case number 23-58818. The people of the state of Michigan versus Keyshawn Hill. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $20,000 or more. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Who's on it?
Sarah Robinson, maybe?
Robinson, she not on?
It's Robinson.
Yeah, she's on.
I don't know.
Oh, she's still on? Oh. She's not on. Oh, okay.
Go back.
Oh, jeez.
Connecting. She's connecting. Good morning. Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Keyshawn Hill.
Mr. Hill, can you state your name for the record, please?
Keyshawn Hill.
Mr. Hill, so you know in the future, don't do t-shirts or sweats in my courtroom, okay?
Okay.
Please press. All right, thank you. Ms. Robinson was setting this for exam.
Yes, Your Honor. And if the court is available, can we set it for the 28th or 29th? I start a jury trial on the 25th.
Hello?
Hold on, please. We're in the middle of a hearing.
Okay.
to the 28th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, anything else?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm asking the court to enter an order to produce and preserve the 911 call for shots fired during that time, and also if in order to produce and preserve the video footage from the Quality Inn from Warren. The owner in the police report is referenced that the owner indicates his car is stolen from that motel on September 5th.
Okay, you're gonna have to submit orders.
Yes, Judge.
Orally, you gotta submit an order. Provided the prosecutor doesn't have a problem with it, you know, I'll sign it. If they do, we'll set up a hearing for the motion first.
Okay, what is the prosecutor's name? I apologize.
Philip Henderson?
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, anything else?
No.
All right, we'll see you back in person on 28th.
Oh. Ms. Davenport?
Yes, Madam Clerk, can you hear me?
Yes, your client is in Wayne County Jail. Do you want me to put you in a breakout room?
Please, thank you.
All right. Mr. Humphreys, I have you checked in. You have a co-counsel. Mr. Konecki checked in, but he had to leave. He said he'll be back.
Madam Clerk, this is Mr. Humphreys.
Yeah.
We're asking for an exam. Do we still have to wait?
Yeah, you need co-counsel so you guys can agree on the same date.
Oh, okay.
Madam Clerk, I have Michael Wright.
You did Michael Wright. Are you retained on Michael Wright?
Excuse me?
Are you retained on Michael Wright?
No, I'm appointed.
Oh, you might want to check with assignments.
Why?
Mr. Schulman came on this morning and he represented Michael Wright.
Okay, he's appointed or retained?
Appointed, I assume.
Yeah, I don't see no appearance.
Okay, I'll check with assignments. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I know I had another attorney on here. Maria? Attorney Manorino?
Good morning.
Oh.
Yes, I couldn't find the unmute button. Good morning.
Good morning. Who are you on?
McBride,
McBride. I don't have a McBride on Judge Giles' docket. You see
all right,
it?
let me check that it's up to date. He's coming back on an old capias. I haven't had any contact with him though, so let me see if I can get some further information and I'll be right back.
Let me see if he's on here tomorrow. Yeah, I don't see him on tomorrow.
Anything else ready?
Nope, just waiting on them in the breakout room and leave the call. She said they, all her cases were ready.
All right, go on.
Huh? You're in a breakout room. Breakout room. Yeah, he checked in on O'Neill. Tommy O'Neill. That's the one Mr. Humphreys is on.
So you left?
Yeah, he left.
That's in there.
Still going.
All right, I found it. Looks like it's on Judge Robbins' docket. Thank you.
Oh, okay. All right, have a good one. Hey, he's on his way up. All right. What'd you say? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on the counter.
Morning, Mr. Perkins.
Hi, good morning.
What are you on?
It's supposed to be Michael Harris and then Justin Taylor.
Hey, good morning. Is this the case that you emailed me, John?
I emailed a couple of them because I'm doing it for Adam. Because he's in
I
trial.
don't have it, but I can get it. You got the case number, Mr. Perkins?
I can pull it up. I do have another case number of a guy thought he had court in front of you guys today. Chucky Auni. I got a case number though.
Oh, I remember that name.
I think that's on.
You got a case number?
58135 230-58135. Then I'll get the other case number.
We did him on the 12th. PCC. His exam is scheduled for September 22nd.
Okay.
That's this.
This Friday.
Friday, yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you. What time is he at 9?
Good question. Oh, man, what was the case?
58135.
At 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, okay, I'll tell him.
Madam Clerk,
Yes.
I'm good. I have to give you
I have to get in the car and start driving towards the court. So
Oh,
I'm gonna come on back on my phone. And so
Okay.
when you call it, if I'm en route, I'll just pull over to the side.
all right.
Thank
All right, thank you, Mr. Humphries.
Okay, thanks a lot. Hello, Miss Cross, you doing Jackson Douglas?
Yeah.
I think he's in custody, but he haven't came over yet. I just called, more.
Can he get something? Can he get something for his job? Okay. See us.
Yeah, just, yeah, as long as you let her know that you, so, and if she does it. Okay. Somebody sit down.
Just have a seat outside. I'll take care of it for you. All right.
Well, yeah, just called over because she asked. That day I was out of town.
Right. I know, right here. Right, all right, all right. Another one?
I'm looking at.
Oh.
Chucky.
Because the client needs something worth to show. He thought he had court today and he needs some kind of.
Oh.
This is client, Chucky Owen.
Oh. That's your client, Mr. Perkins?
It's a kid from the neighborhood. I saw him downstairs and he was looking for his name. And that's why I brought him up here. Cause I saw, no, I'm in front of Pat Jefferson in there. I'll be back for, isn't Justin Taylor?
Who?
Justin Taylor?
No, we don't have a table.
Okay.
Huh? Yeah, only we did, last week. He's got an exam on the 22nd.
I'm sorry.
Huh?
Oh, who took the spot of Grant Miller?
Yeah.
Or was it someone else in there?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
That date that we did, I'm looking at it, it's on the 11th. Trying to think who was the attorney.
For who?
For Mr. Owens, the guy checking Owens.
Katrina, Wright.
Katrina Wright.
All right, so let me do a
He
work
was in
order.
jail at the time.
Only doing this because it's Mr. Perkins. That's, you don't have the case today, what?
That's what I thought that was his client. He said that.
All right, Humphreys, I got, Attorney Konecki back.
Did it. Think overdid it. I think so.
What?
Oh.
Oh.
I had a good time.
You was party animal? Oh, wow.
Every day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Dang.
Yeah.
And Sunday?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Konecki, I, haven't heard, you said, what you call it, was supposed to be the attorney?
I'm Mr. O'Neill. He told me that family hired Patrick Nyheis and that Patrick Nyheis had came and visited him, so.
Oh, well, I don't have an appearance and there's nothing in the system that says that.
That's fine. I'm happy to set it for an exam.
Okay, all right, you'll be the first. The judge stepped out for a minute. He'll be right back.
Okay.
I'm also set to, Madam Clerk, whenever you're, ready.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if she knows how to get back in the break, in the main room. Hey.
There she is. She's back.
Okay.
Back. I'm back. And I got, I have Phyllis. Where's Phyllis at? Yeah, I thought that's what, I thought she was a little off. That's just us. Think for now. I still got two more defendants that I don't have attorneys on. Portal. I wonder if that's Phyllis's. I hope this is Phyllis. It's taking a long time for Phyllis to come in. Oh, they just called. D-Room just called. Jackson.
Is she still here? Because I went.
Is Miss Cross still outside? More?
Who was that? Miss Cross.
Is that Phyllis? Phyllis, is that you? Nope, she got disconnected. I think something's wrong with her internet. All right, so I'm ready on O'Neill, Hill, and Hunt. Hunt is in. Oh, shit. Okay. Hey, Lee.
Because she is out, I'm gonna have them come up. She's talking, she was talking. Oh, okay.
All right, tell them I got 3 PCCs ready. All right, all right. That's why I hate.
What?
I hate letting them go.
I know.
I don't think that's an attorney. I think that's what I think is, I'm hoping it's Phyllis's. See, now he's getting caught up doing her exams.
Then yeah, bring her back. Whose case, who's she doing? Whose cases? Judge Jefferson?
Jefferson.
Set him up like.
Huh?
He said she said the wrong thing.
Yeah. Yeah, so what happened was when Judge Jefferson was in here, she liked how I did that. I had the dates and times ready, so now that's what she has to do.
So good. What happened?
Whatever. Look.
You know, he could. Come on, Zoom up there.
He could, but he's not. Right. Because he could have stayed there. Huh? No, but for PCC, like.
Right. So did he for PCC?
He already did their PCC, now he did their exam. That's what I'm saying. What did I lose? Did I lose something? What did I lose?
I'm gonna call. You wanna talk to him?
See,
I'm calling.
I lost Mr. Konecki again.
Oh, God.
Two, three. Hey. Okay, it's not old. Just tell him I got a jailer and I don't want to lose the jailer because it's gonna be a compass.
Yes, you can. Now this is doing up at 233. Mr. Jackson.
Okay, all right. Trying to keep my judge.
Let's try that.
Trying to keep my judge.
We got people here ready to go. It's crosses.
Well, the thing is, she ready too in there. So that's,
We.
right, I mean, we, you know,
We're prior.
come on, this is your docket.
Yeah.
He's here, but he's doing Jefferson's docket. Oh. Yeah. All right, I lost Mr. Konecki.
Are we voting?
I don't think so.
So how's that? Partners, you know. Here's all good.
All right, Ms. Davenport, are you ready? I'm gonna do you first. Looks like I lost Konecki.
Sure, thank you.
Judge is on his way down.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, did you get my emails too with those discovery orders?
Yes, I put them in the file.
Great, thank you.
Party's ready on Brianna Hunt.
Ready.
Calling case number 2355845, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brianna Hunt. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 3, malicious destruction of personal property, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Also calling case number 2357741, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brianna Hunt. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. These matters are scheduled for probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, PA 6029.
Yeah, one.
Good morning. Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. May it please this honorable court. Justina Shabazz Davenport, P number 82743, appearing on behalf of Miss Brianna Hunt, who is also present by way of Zoom in the Wayne County Jail. And Judge, we do consent to having this hearing via Zoom. Ms. Hunt, please unmute and state your name for the record.
My name is Brianna Hunt.
All right. Pleasure.
Thank you, Judge. I have had an opportunity to speak with my client in a breakout room. I am requesting a competency hearing to be scheduled for competency evaluation for both competency evaluation as well as criminal responsibility before setting this matter for a preliminary examination, please.
Okay, I can only schedule them for competency to stand trial at this point. They're not going to do criminal responsibility unless it goes across the street.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
And we don't have any objection to that.
All right, you gotta give me a reason.
Yes, Judge. Actually, after reviewing the paper discovery, I did speak with Ms. Hunt in at great length just during our breakout room session. She has had a mental health evaluation done approximately in 2021, 2022. She's not exactly sure of what the results were with that case, but it was regarding her children. I'm not going to place too much on the record. It has nothing to do with this case. Also, Judge, based off of the paper discovery, without having the videos, I cannot say for sure, but just based off the allegations in the paper discovery, I believe that there may be some concerns for mental health, some mental health concerns that I believe need to be addressed before we have the critical hearing of the preliminary examination.
Okay, those are not reasons for me to adjourn it for competency. You either have to tell me that she does not understand the proceedings and the parties involved, or she's unable to assist you.
Yes, Judge. My apologies. Yes, Judge. I believe that she is unable to assist me right now in her defense for both cases. After speaking with her, I would like to address bond. That was her main concern, but she does not seem to actually understand the allegations for the resisting and obstructing of the police officer. We did not speak too much in detail as regards to the felonious assault, which was the preceding case. But I do believe that she is not able to assist me in either case. But we did speak with regard to that as far as for the police officer resisting obstructing.
Based on that, people have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court's going to refer this matter for competency to stand trial. And that's the date of, what date is that? January 8th?
Yeah, January 8th.
January 8th at 8:30.
Thank you, Judge. And may I briefly address bond? And I also would like to place it on the record, Judge. I do have partial discovery. I did send two discovery orders over to the court via email, and that will be for both cases. I'm asking for all digital discovery, including 911 calls. It's a general discovery order. I did receive paper discovery on both cases, and it appears that the people attempted to send me the digital discovery on one case. However, I reviewed all of the videos in its entirety. It's actually for another matter that is not my case. I'm not going to put that name on the file, but it does not belong to Brianna Hunt. And the other matter is only for pictures. So I would ask for a complete discovery.
All right, you need to do I have a, it's like this is a standard order, however you read in. and all video and audio discovery, including but not limited to body worn cameras, green light cameras, cop car video, audio dash, cam video, audio, 911 calls, any and all video material, exculpatory evidence of, I think it says complaint.
Complainants, yes, Judge.
In these civilian videos, dispatch logs, and other discovery. You have any problems with that?
Your Honor, we don't have any problem with civilian videos that are in the police custody at this time. I mean, if there's something that they haven't recovered or they don't know exists.
All you can ask for is what you have. If you don't have it, I mean, that kind of information, if you don't have, unless you should have to get it on her own.
But as worded, no, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna sign the discovery order that's in the file. And what's the issue as a bond?
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Hunt is actually, she's awarded a personal bond on both cases. I believe one of them was for a $100 cash surety with 10%, which was paid. And she's now awaiting a tether for the police officer resisting obstructing. Judge, she has been in custody since September 7th. She does not appear to be a flight risk. I did inquire as to any prior cases that she had and she failed to appear. There's no history to my knowledge of any failure to appear, and she does not seem to be a danger to society. Both of these incidents are isolated incidents, Judge. One where it was the allegations against a neighbor, and the other one is for the allegations for the police officer at her children's school. I did speak with my client with regards to both. She has been given permission by her grandmother to stay with her so that she does not have to return back home if the court is inclined for her to avoid being at home next to the neighbors pending this case. She also did indicate that her children has since switched schools and she has no reason to go to that school. So I would ask just for there to be an indication in her bond order to refrain from going to the school. And until we can get further information as far as for her home, I would ask for there to be some indication, something in the bond order also just to keep her from going from home to home. But I would ask for the tether requirement to be removed at this time, Judge. Ms. Hunt is also at risk of losing her home. She has today is her deadline to make her final payment for a remittance that she had from a court order. I spoke with her. She said that she would try to have her sister do it, but she has a 5-year-old and a 7-year-old at home who she has custody of and who are now with her children. With her sister. I would ask for that bond reduction to be reduced to just be for the personal bond on both cases and with no GPS tether.
Your voice be heard.
Your Honor, the people leave it to the discretion of the court.
All right, court's gonna remove the GPS tether. Ms. Hunt, you have no contact with the complaining witnesses. No contact means just that. You can't contact them. Can't have anybody else contact them. It's in person, telephone, text message, email, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. You can't put anything about this on social media. Do you understand that? Is that yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Hunt, I have your information. I'm going to reach out and also do not go back to the location of your home. You did give me your grandmother's address, so you may go there and I will speak with you once you get out.
Just would it be okay for me to give my money order and take it to my leasing office? That's it.
Judge, is she permitted to get her money order and then refrain from going to that location after today?
Well, that location is a house, right?
Yes.
I'm not gonna tell her she can't go back to her house. I'm gonna tell her she can have no contact with those folks.
Thank you.
her name. You know, so if you go, so you can go back to your house. But if you, like you go to the store, or you go to the gas station, or you go wherever, and you see them, it's your obligation to turn around and leave. Not theirs, yours. You understand that?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. You all take care.
Calling case number 2358389, the people of the state of Michigan versus Douglas Jackson. Defendant is charged with count 1, breaking and entering a building with intent, count 2, larceny in a building, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Angel Lewis for the people, P85520. Good morning, Your Honor. Sarah Kraus, P81830. I'm standing in for the attorney of record, Gabby Silver, for Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson, can you state your name for the court, please?
Douglas Jackson. Okay.
Your Honor, I have discussed with Mr. Jackson his rights as it pertains to a preliminary examination. He is going to waive his examination at this time and understands this case will proceed further at circuit court.
Do we have any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. So Jackson, you understand you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam. The state must show by probable cause the crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing. You understand that? Yes, sir. Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam? No. You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it. Yes, sir. You signed the waiver of examination form? Yes. All right, court finds that you, and people have no objection, correct?
No objection.
All right. That'll be, court finds that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as filed over the Wayne County Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be October 2nd, no, September 25th.
Your Honor, I would like to address Mr. Jackson's bond at this time, if I could. Your Honor, Mr. Jackson is currently, I believe, on a 10% bond. At this time, he has not been able to make that bond. He did explain to me he would be staying with his brother. His brother has a stable residence. And Your Honor, I would also like to say that these crimes are not assaultive in nature. I believe that a personal bond with a GPS tether, if the court would wish, would be appropriate in this case. Your Honor, we would just indicate that he does have a previous KPS history, but with that being said, we just leave the decision in the discretion of the court.
KPS history in this case?
Yeah.
What good would it be to do, put on tele, because he took that off last time.
Judge, I was not aware of that.
Working?
He is not employed at this time, Judge, but he would like to start working. Lives in Detroit, Judge. Asbury Park.
That's the address, this is his address?
Yes, sir.
Where were you living before?
My mother had passed and left me and my brother at her house. Born and raised.
All right, change it to a 10,000 personal bond with GPS tether house arrest.
Thank you, Judge.
Finds a job, man.
Thank you, Judge.
So the date's gonna change to October the 2nd.
Thank you.
October 6th.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Need a bond for it.
That's it. I had, Mr. Humphreys and Mr. Konecki's been on a couple times, but he had to go to other courtrooms.
If they come back, if he comes back on, see if he's available 11 o'clock, September 25th. Not then. 9:30 on the 26th.
The 25th at 11, or the 26th at 9:30. Okay.
I'm going upstairs, we got one to do, and then I'll be right back.
All right. Next exam is 10 o'clock. Huh? I don't know, it's called assignments.
They get Sprinkle one,
Yeah, sprinkles out.
and the other one, you don't even know. Unless it's out.
There were two. What was the number on the one that was had?
It was 5, 7, oh, wait, a minute, that's ours, right? Is that one on?
Ours is 55845.
Oh, we got 4. Okay, so this is 57741. Wait a minute, she said we had the older case.
You don't.
Did she just pull an okey dokey mokey on me?
No, if you read the older case. 5 versus 5.
I mean, the newer case, yeah, the older case is the lower number.
It's ours.
So it just goes.
No, it's theirs.
Lower the number.
We have 4, 5.
Yeah, it's 558 versus theirs, which was 577.
Oh, okay, hold on. Where we at? Where is Hunt? 558. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, it's 5, okay.
I'm just looking at the last 2 numbers because I thought they were the same. What is this?
I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Madam Clerk,
Yes, Mr. Humphreys.
did I hear the judge give you 2 dates that Mr. Konecki could consider?
Yes.
Can I have those 2 dates? Because I gotta go into Frank Murphy and I'm sitting in the parking lot.
Sure, it's September 25th at 11 or September 26th at 9:30.
Okay, hold on 1 second. 25th at 11?
Right. Or September 26th at 9:30.
Let's take the 25th for 300.
Huh? Oh. I was like, what? Okay. All right, let's
So-
hope he comes on soon. So you need to go to Frank Murphy?
Yeah, I'm in the parking lot sitting in between the 2. I need to walk in. Judge Stevens has already called.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Humphries.
All right, so I'm gonna put it in tentatively for Monday, the 25th at 11. And if for some reason that's not good, I don't know why it should be, considering he said that this other gentleman's gonna step in.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel you.
Right, he can just say, yeah, and then when the other and he calls the other person and says, this is the date that you have, and if he got a problem, then he calls in.
Right, right.
Okay.
All right. Well, I'll
All righty.
contact the issue. All right. Thank you, Mr. Humphries.
You're welcome.
September 26th.
What you need?
The Anderson file.
Anderson.
We already did the PCC, but I've got to sign the waiver.
Oh, here's Mr. Kaneki. Oh, but the judge is, well, at least get the date. You got the case number? Mr. Kaneki, glad you made it back.
Good morning.
What's up, Rob?
Jordan Robinson?
Yeah, that's her, right? She's here, right?
Yeah, and her client.
Her client, right?
And Mrs. Gray is in.
So, Mr. Kaneki, we got the
Right.
date is
Oh, he's here.
September 25th at 11 o'clock, a good date.
It should be fine. I just want the court to be aware, right now I'm scheduled to start a murder trial on Monday, but my client is quite ill. I don't anticipate that going, so I'm happy to set it. And if there is a problem, I should know Friday and I can alert the court.
Okay, because also you said it may be retained, correct?
Yes.
All right, so I'll keep it September 25th at 11. You got that, Mr.
Okay.
Humphries?
Yes, 25th at 11.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Thank you. Judge on that one. All right. So, I don't know, do you want to take this up to Judge Giles and see if he'll sign it up there, or want to wait on this for the?
Wait, this. Oh, that one? Oh, no.
Oh, I gotta do the minutes.
Okay, let me, he can go, right?
Let me do it right now.
Okay, yeah, then we have Rob go through it, all right. Boy.
Let me try calling for these attorneys again too. I got a prosecutor on one of these.
The Lee County Indigent Defense Services Department. If you are a court seeking a spot appointment, please press 1. Wait while I transfer your call.
Good morning, how are you? Good, this is Kitty, Judge Giles, clerk at 36th District Court. I have 2 probable cause conferences scheduled today, but the attorneys did not show up on. Sure, it's 96-239-00-870-01. It's an AG case. Correct. Oh, you know what? No, don't worry about that one. Don't worry about that. One. It looks like it's retained. Don't worry about that one. That's why I need it. So I need, you ready? CPN numbers. It's 8223720188-01. Yes. Courtroom 233. Thank you. All right. You too. Bye-bye. So that is an attorney's name, Applebaum.
So he was retained?
Yeah, I'm about to call this.
Applebaum is gone.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't read this right. 538.
That's a civil attorney.
Really?
Is he?
Applebaum is gone. You don't see that commercial? Oh, attorney Applebaum, that's so corny.
Okay, could be, it's just.
You said they're corny.
I can't believe y'all not seen that commercial.
Prosecutor.
So she was.
If it's the same Applebaum. I guess the court. Why is it so convenient when it wants to be court staff? We ain't court staff, right? You know,
Personal.
Hello, Alan Applebaum.
Hi, good morning. How are you? This is Kitty, Judge Giles, clerk at 36 District Court. You have a probable cause scheduled.
Are we court staff now?
Yes.
Okay, so you're walking into
Don't
the,
give us no details, wait till the last minute.
okay, all right,
Yes.
okay, thank you. That's, okay, all right.
Do you
All
guys?
right, he's coming in,
Do you guys know anything about it?
the attorney, Applebaum.
Apple, is he bringing stone?
He said
You
he
saw
had
that,
an
you seen that
emergency.
commercial, ain't you?
No,
Nobody watches TV, it's just.
Prosecutor Hayes.
I do only streaming. I know, Overvist and, all these other plaque psoriasis and all.
The attorney is, walking in the building, he just parked his vehicle, so he's walking in.
Perfect, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Can you bring her away for me?
On who?
It's, I can give you a case number if you want.
Yeah.
2061079.
Just like Mike.
Sadie
Morris and
Keith,
Jeffrey
or
Feiler.
Sharks.
No, he's not.
Sadie or
Listen,
Shark.
he like the most corniest commercial. I wanna see if it's him. But it could be another Apple.
Let me know if it's maybe brother.
Does any of the 36 district court staff know about pictures that are being taken
Yeah, they're doing a court-wide picture today.
outside like they did before with the drone?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to be.
I got an appointment, I don't think I can stay for that.
You're not gonna be in it? Oh, we're gonna have to reschedule.
Kim doesn't.
It's okay, it's okay.
Right, you're not gonna lose nothing.
I'm cool anyways, but I'm saying, that's great on this.
Oh.
Thank you.
What is, Apple Farm coming in on?
Portal, Monty Porter, PCC.
Oh, PCC.
Yeah. What? Who? Oh, Sprinkle? That's a female.
Well, is somebody you don't know? You almost Sprinkle, right?
Come here, dog.
Yeah, she know.
You, when you see it, you'll be like, oh.
We don't know.
All right, so I need to see, can you hand me that? That's for this one. Your boy, Mr. Jackson. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, Madam Clerk, for the competency orders, did you guys send them the same day to Burlington?
The order,
When the judge orders the referral?
I try to sometimes.
Alright.
I don't get to it.
Okay, yeah, I just let them know it'll be coming
Rub it up.
soon, that's all.
Oh, yeah. It'll be today or tomorrow.
Is he coming down? Or should we look there?
Cool.
Judge.
Oh, it's up to you if you want.
Very good, right.
Oh, this is my car. Hello?
Who was I?
Hello? Hi, how are you? Yes, it is. So, a light came on, a red light right in the middle. Dashboard, and a key that said stabilization track. And then, turning the key, it was like a red light. Okay. Here's my yeah, it was, road to work. And when my son got off, work, he started to crying. No, the quick came after, so it kind of cranked that first. All the lights came on, cranked that first.
Yes, good help.
And then, the light. the
Yeah,
red
you said it
light,
right there. What case is yours?
Stabilization track, that popped up. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Lord, mercy. All right, here, can you get us to Kim?
Kitty always make me run off.
So if it's not on here, we didn't hold it.
It's not on where.
If it's not on this ROA, we did not hold it. Just making sure.
No, this isn't even our case, this is King. Oh, no. Did we do that? No, because it's got child abuse on it. We shouldn't have did this case. What's the name of it?
What's the name of the case?
Is that case with the ladies?
Oh, was that a child abuse attached to it? When was this? Oh, this is old. This is from 2021. Oh, why are you asking me about the 2021 case?
Who did that?
Huh?
Who did that?
Okay, sure.
It looks like Judge Giles did it back in 2021.
I got a call from the circuit, I'm late.
Yeah,
Palpable.
February
Is it
20.
on the portal?
Yeah, it's supposed to be on Zoom, but you're here, so.
Oh, okay, is he here?
No,
I think we thought it was tomorrow. I lost my appointment book,
Oh,
so it's today.
it's
Let
today.
me track him down. Is the prosecutor here? Is that you?
It's not me.
Oh,
It was
okay.
It was a AG that checked.
All right, let me-
Oh, yes,
Mr. Hayes.
Robert Hayes
Yeah.
is the prosecutor. He's on Zoom.
Okay, let me see if I can track. I thought it was tomorrow. I lost my appointment book. Discombobulated. The court's telling, we have a Zoom probable cause conference this morning. Are you, where are you? You can do it by Zoom. Okay. Do you have Zoom on your phone? Okay. Is it possible for you to give me the Zoom number, please?
Sure.
No, I'll text it to you, okay? And then go on the Zoom and I'll see you in a couple minutes, okay? All right. Okay,
Because I never get.
what is the Zoom number, please?
360
I'll put it down.
233
3, 6,
0000.
3, 6, 0, 2, 3, 6.
Really?
I wouldn't. Yes, I'm gonna go, I have a hearing in front of Judge Brew, so I'm gonna go up there and see if I can get a little conference room up there, if I can use that, okay?
Okay.
I'll be in a minute.
Okay, so 3, 6, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 0, something.
00. So it's 4 zeros after the 3.
Right. So that's it. 3, 6, 0, 2, 3, 3, 0, 0, 0.
0.
That's it. They didn't like spring without showing up.
Huh?
Just didn't like spring without showing up.
Well, I already called for another time.
But I think I had her number too. It's been a long time.
Not my fault. Huh?
I can't remember why she did.
I wanna say she had short hair, kinda, caramel complexion or whatever.
What's the lady that has, I can't remember, what's the lady that has the fro?
Wendy Barnwell?
Yeah, that's it.
It's kind of loud.
Is she the one that got off of that one case?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, Miss Hamer?
Yeah.
Look what I got from Miss Hamer.
You probably got a bunch of places set up.
Emotions.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Did that go, what that wave go?
No, she wanted to represent herself.
But then we waved over though.
Oh.
Yeah, it was bound over.
Yeah, well, no, that's
Yeah,
good. I
well,
don't want to hear that one though.
Wait, did
She
she
bound over herself.
really represent herself and then,
I like to wave it.
yeah, might go through that whole.
I want to do with Judge Giles. I'm gonna wave on case of him. You go jam me up. These people are so funny. Oh, God. But she-
Right, I hate to see who gets this case over there.
Oh, me too, boy. That's
Cause
gonna be,
it's definitely going for trial, definitely,
yeah,
definitely,
that's gonna be wild.
definitely.
Thing is, in those,
They should give it to Asia.
Okay.
that lady who's representing
Hamer.
herself, they should let you go do the
Hamer.
trial on that.
She did
Hamer.
all right. I put a note in there. She did all right.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
just,
she
she
did, all
just
right.
sent 2 motions.
Ha. Girl, I thought she was going, that's why she had library privileges. So she can write
She
it.
wrote it, right? Right, she wrote both of them. I don't know if this is the same.
Like as an
thing.
inner office.
Parents
kind of thing,
demand
You have a defendant like
Or
that,
discovery.
usually your boss tells you to
These
not
might be
let
old.
them build in
Yep, that's why she needed
the
to.
reason for, you know, like as a, like whatever the judge does, whatever, but you as the prosecutor, like, just keep this thing on
Are
the
you
rails, use what
serious?
your boss tells you, you know, like, don't let them,
They take that.
yeah, or don't let them, you know, do something so crazy that then it's gonna come back, like, we're only dealing with.
You don't want it to be appealed, right?
So one time,
Especially that cat.
that's right, we only want it one time.
Cause you got they'll come back later.
But they don't, you know.
Huh?
Did you take them orders up?
Rob,
Oh,
did you see
okay.
that? I've been here all this time. Did you take those orders? I'm Superman, if you see me take the order, I'll be right back. I'm flew out.
Well, I didn't know if you changed your mind,
I know I gave you a run.
because you were asking, did I?
Yeah, because I wasn't sitting this paperwork down with you guys, so.
I figured as much. It must be in the hole. Let's see what Judge Jefferson got. Oh, 397.
Wow, that's good. It's just time. That's a good time.
Oh, so see, look, so Judge Jefferson said her case is like Judge Giles.
You did, so now it's just right.
So she only said 9 o'clock exam.
See how we stay up? And that's why he, I think, said his time though, for what he did. Notice,
Yeah.
It's 10:30, we put a. 15
No,
minutes
I
in.
don't, I think that was just an error, because none of the other days are like that.
Yeah, with this other. No, we still. we're
Right.
15 minutes apart.
Right.
I think he's getting ugly.
Huh?
I think he's getting ugly. You call me our time. Hey, the man, a minute, but let's.
What my thing is.
Are they in a hole? 439?
Yeah.
I figured.
With Mr. Perkins.
So Perkins, percolating gas, so.
Looking at a video and making objections.
All
So that's the last thing that they got.
So, yeah, oh, the last.
Yeah.
exam, Okay. Dang. Oh, no, he did give an hour back to. That's what UCC said.
Yeah, that's only today.
Wow.
You can do that tomorrow. Or the next day. I think that was just something he. What is all those damn copies? I think I pushed it to you. And came after the ROA. I think these are from the ROA, she asked. My car was out. I'm like. Drove my car. Started. No, the battery, the engine might come out. Well, this came out first.
They tell you?
Yeah. As soon as he-
It came on?
Yeah, as soon as he went to, got off the work to start the car, it started calling. So when it first came on, this came out. When he first started, this came out. Service, stable track.
So what does that mean?
I don't know, but then after that, it completely just the engine light came on, and it was like when you turn the key, it goes,
So the big.
yeah, the engine light, the battery. The engine light?
No, but yeah.
The engine light came on,
So.
all these lights went out, then it was the engine light, and then the. I don't know, the guy just called me from the shop, I had to have it towed. I had it towed from Romulus to 15 mile, it's 30.
How'd you get it?
Huh?
How'd you get it?
Look at all this, I just wasted all this paper. How'd I get here today? Yeah, I didn't want to. But it's like, I had no choice. This, oh my God, this, are you kidding me? Oh, yeah. I gotta stop this. This is ridiculous. How is it 200? Did you do that? You put it 200? And I don't know how, it's saying 210 copies.
Oh, wow.
How, how the hell did that happen? Cancel job. I was just gonna let it play out, but that's too many copies. Sure is. What's going on here? Okay, cancel that too. All right. Ah. What the heck? And that's coming from there, so it wasn't like I pushed 210.
Oh, okay, so did you push it from there?
I couldn't have pushed 210 times. Because to print from the computer to here is F9. So I know, I'm thinking I pressed it a lot of times, but not 210 times. All right. All right, that's yours.
Did you seal it?
Silver.
You seal
I want it.
it? Do you do seal it? I thought you did.
Should I do it on this?
Yeah, where you signed it, I thought you were supposed to seal it. Ms. Irwin is here for her client.
Okay.
Is that Brian? Yes, it's during our review, pretty clear how we want to come up with Mr. Jackson. Thank you.
She's doing an exam up there. How many exams she's getting? Pass on?
Huh?
How many exams?
Just 3. They're on the last exam.
Yeah, my witness is there. So hopefully you're not making that job.
What was that?
My witness is the officer up in
Okay.
that one.
Oh, really?
Not either.
So I'm like, hopefully he's not making them mad. Or making a bad impression. You know, my next case with Miss Irwin.
So what is she doing with that? She holding?
Yeah, y'all know she lies sometimes.
It can't be. That might be a hole there.
He was smoking in the car, but everybody don't really act like they know the marijuana.
That's all he's in for smoking?
No, he CCW. It's gonna be a little funny, because I'm in his friends arguing, he was like, you know that ain't my girl, you know that, just, I mean.
Oops.
Oh, dear.
The next day was, because I'm out, right, to tell the truth.
Yeah.
You know where I get a copy? This one, I got a copy. That's what it says.
Here, does he want a pen?
A copy of the what? You want a copy of the AR? Yeah, you want a copy of something.
What do you want a copy of? Oh, I can give you this,
So the paperwork. This is yours, young man. Okay, let me put that down. Tell you.
It's less than 50. So.
Hey. Hey, you got some bad problems with cars.
right?
He almost wondered, how's he driving? Is he just? You had a defective car at first. God, or was it? You gotta ask them too, because I was several point where I said, "Hey, a lot of money." See, you gotta start noticing. If it's running rough, or it's. Sometimes you get some kind of signal before it just.
But I mean, I did ask them, but I have it in my care too, like we switch up.
But you don't never hear anything or see anything.
No, there was nothing going on with it to make me like, okay, be careful, something, watch this, nothing. And I had it the day before.
Might be something really right.
I hope so.
That's all you need.
What?
Something.
You hear none of that.
The cool thing is, you know, ahead of time, they brought me a sandwich or something. Like,
Who brought you the sandwich?
I yeah, good work. Hey, man, you know.
You and your partner.
So, boy, no problem. The fish game, if someone, if I can get it up, it's real good because they have to do something.
They did.
Is this the one?
I know they were. I saw them again. I was watching. I was looking for you, sir. I never seen this.
Uh-oh, Sprinkle is here.
Huh?
Sprinkle.
So why you see he started?
Why they put? Put Brazilian.
Oh, so he, I didn't see him. I kept watching. Well, I did. Something came up. I had to leave. But you said it. They gave me Eastern Michigan. Eastern Michigan. The better, I think, the team they have. Still. Yeah.
We had 3 terms, still. Sorry, get the term. Still have a game. 2 minutes. Quarterback's right.
Because he didn't, see, that's the thing, the office too, but they wouldn't stop it, the black and bucks.
Might work in the ball last one.
Good morning, Counselor.
Good morning. They're tardy on names and I don't see him.
We don't have a Williams. It says you're appointed to Jamari, what is it, Jamari James.
Yeah, I renamed myself on the screen. That's from a prior Zoom.
That's
But yes,
okay.
I'm here from.
Yeah, you're. Oh,
He's not in jail, right?
no, I don't think he was on my jail.
He's hurt.
Jail.
They get all this news from everyone, things we keep up with pride. Pride.
So
I changed it. And I got it was all I had. It was like, score. Don't be trying to time. It's up to me to do that. I don't, what's the way to take a chance? He might not die. That's the thing, guy was a dealer at one point. We got him. They keep 60 well. Now he's in some people still. We were at the end of it, so. In your own. You can do that, like.
Wait a minute, I was right.
But they watched it.
She does, they do have an older case. Right? No, I'm confused.
There's sort of a
No,
five.
I'm confused. I'm confused. Hold on.
I saw the score.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
That's on,
We had,
Right, right.
we had 5.5.
First check, sir.
She had 5.7. Okay.
And that's what you said.
I don't know what-
You start going back.
I don't know what just confused me. I think it's me doing the paperwork.
One of them make a bowl, you know?
Let me just hurry up and do her so I can get this. I don't know what. Oh, that's over here. 5.7. No, 5.5. 5.5, 8.5.
That's right, plan to make a mistake.
So they can just like.
They get smacked. People get smacked. This thing looking pretty. 7. Yeah.
Let's see how many address the Pac-12. Pac-12.
With USC, right?
USC.
Washington
State,
State.
Oregon State is ranked.
They ain't playing the winner.
That's the thing, you gotta see how it, like, they look good right now, 3 weeks in, I wanna see how it plays
I
out.
want to see what, because next week is when Colorado play Oregon. That's what we get a good test with them, man. Oh, guys, we'll see how good Oregon is.
I'm excited, there's a lot of excitement, a lot of hype, but they're gonna take a loss eventually. I mean, they're not going undefeated, you know. I mean, they went 1-11, like, they're gonna lose this. So you just wonder who they're gonna knock off before.
Yeah. I think they get the bowl.
I think so.
They get a bowl in. They do that a lot better than they did last year.
Oh,
I get the
to really know where they're at, you know, they play Oregon, USC, those guys.
Did they love me? Did they live in Colorado? It was tough game. Colorado State, Colorado. Colorado State was really trying to put her. One dude got kicked out of Canada because he was trying to be too physical. And they put one of the best players out there.
And that's. I'll make that kind of stuff. I say it like this, like, you know, that guy's one of the best players on the field. You're not, just take the L, like, don't hurt somebody.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's, I think, coach it. Yeah, it's some. And now it's big right now. See Colorado, I heard Colorado, only win they had last year was against.
Don't nobody want to be the one team that you beat.
I can't wait to see how it plays. I don't like yeah, but still, and we have one. He played real. The only ball was right, that's right. Boy, Green was playing good. Where's that? That's Michigan. Being the second half team, that's half it. They put it out Texas. Christian. TCU. TCU. They came back. Came back strong.
If you don't break. Oh, what happened with the Beyond Oh, no, you said. We got nothing?
Hey, who they play next week though? Son. They gotta beat them, man.
Hopefully they play the Lions. Man, they're just gonna go 4-4
Yeah.
For that co-defendant case, did we put that on the 25th?
Yep, at 11.
Hey, good morning.
More. Hopefully great days as well.
Oh, upstairs. Yeah.
I went to this smoke room.
Wow.
I went to school.
I'm so sorry.
Madam Clerk, did Mr. James check in?
No, he has not checked in, Counselor.
Okay.
Calling case number 2357816, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamari James. Defendant is charged with count 1. Police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P 86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Carol P 498 on behalf of Jamari James, who is not.
Waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes, Your Honor, my assignment sheet only included an address for Mr. James. I did send out a letter. I don't know if he received it, but I've not received contact, and I do have discovery.
I couldn't hear your first part. You said you were waiving his appearance?
Yes, Your Honor, I asked the court to waive his appearance and at least give me an opportunity to track down Mr. James. This is only an R&O.
The court waives his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Available September 25th at 11 o'clock.
I said that one at 11.
You said one at 11.
The two, you told me for Mr. Konecki.
Oh, okay. So
The two co-defendants.
Yeah.
It's at 11.
All right, 11:30.
Your Honor, I'm actually supposed to start a jury trial in Judge Hathaway that morning, so I think it should be a 2-day trial.
September, Wednesday, 27th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, Mr. Minister.
Yes, Judge, that will work.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And my apologies for being late this morning. I was in Judge McCarthy, and she's an 8:30 judge as well. I will see you on the 27th. Good day to you and your staff.
You too. Take care now.
You as well.
So the last PCC judge, he said, oh, he said. The attorney on, Portal, Monty Portal, the last PCC, he came in, but he said he had to go to Judge Brew's Portal.
Brew traffic.
Is she traffic or civil? She's civil or land?
No, she's not civil.
No, she's not? We should go back on traffic.
Either the traffic or landlord tenant, I don't know which one.
Yeah, it might be landlord.
And he thought his case was tomorrow, so he called his client.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
That was, the two baggers, that's Humphrey's case.
Yeah, Humphreys and Konecki.
So I leave just, what's that, Portal?
Yeah. You have what?
Do we have an attorney on?
Yeah, that's the one who said he had a case with Judge.
Oh, all right.
Brew.
Go ahead and do that then.
It's retained too. Mr. Brown, what happened? I lost you.
Yes. Hello?
Okay, well, yes, I'm here.
Oh, Oh, I'm on Jamal Gray. I was just letting the court know I was held up across the street. They're about to call my case. I should be over there in hopefully about 10 minutes, if that's okay.
Okay,
Okay, I'll be right over. Thank you.
all right. Gardner, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Gardner, Ken.
Actually, hold on just a minute. All right, go ahead.
Calling, oh, we need a prosecutor. Or can you get the prosecutor who's on, Gardner? Rough weekend. Calling case number 2358419, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Gardner. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Agent Lewis for the people, P85520.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sally Irwin on behalf of Kenneth Gardner. He stands to my right and we are ready.
State your name.
Oh, thank you.
Your Honor, the people are ready to proceed.
Any witness?
At this time, the people call Officer Anthony Crawford.
Ms. Irwin, can I have your P number, please? Ms. Irwin? Your P number, please?
32405.
Thank you. Anthony Crawford,
Yes,
just like it
ma'am.
sounds, perfect, Judge will swear you in.
You swear or affirm the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, pull the door towards you. Have a seat, please.
Can you please restate your name for the record, please?
Officer Anthony Crawford.
Okay, you can scoot back for a minute and just,
So regular.
yes. Where, are you currently employed?
City of Detroit.
Okay. And, you're a Detroit police officer?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you working in the capacity of a Detroit police officer on August 12th, 2023?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you by yourself or with a partner?
With my partner,
And what's your partner's name?
Officer Dylan Twardy.
Okay. And were you in full or modified uniform on this day?
Full uniform.
Okay. And were you on foot patrol or in a scout car?
Scout car.
And was that scout car fully marked or semi-marked?
Semi-marked.
Okay, and when a scout car is semi-marked, what exactly identifies that, vehicle as being a police vehicle?
The lights on the sides of the car and the letters Detroit Police on the sides of the car.
Okay. And did your duties as a police officer take you to, the area of Pearson Street?
Yes, ma'am.
And is that in the city of Detroit, county of Wayne?
Yes, ma'am.
And what were you doing in that, area?
Patrolling the area just due to the high crime.
Okay. And while you were in that area, did you observe anything that caught your attention?
Because I ran out of ink.
Oh.
Okay. Restate the question. While you were in that area, did you observe anything that caught your attention?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you observe?
I observed I can't really make a lot of vehicles. I observed vehicle parts in the area of 7 Mile Pearson with 2 occupants in it.
And what caught your attention about that vehicle?
So when I drove by it, I smelled the odor of marijuana.
Okay. Now, you said you smelled the odor of marijuana. Was your windows down?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I'm sorry. Odor of burnt marijuana.
Burnt marijuana? Okay. Was your windows down?
Yes, ma'am.
Was the windows down of the vehicle that you observed?
I'm not sure.
Okay. And did you see any smoke?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming from that vehicle?
Inside the vehicle.
Okay. And, after making that observation, what if anything did you do?
I spoke to the driver of the vehicle.
Okay. Now, before you spoke to the driver of the vehicle, did you initiate a traffic stop or something?
No, I just spoke to him, asked him, what are you smoking on?
Okay. So you stopped, were you driving?
Yes,
Okay. So you stopped the police vehicle?
yes.
Okay, and just asked him?
What was he smoking on?
Okay, from the inside of your car?
Yes,
Okay, all right. And did he answer?
I'm not sure.
Okay, and how many occupants were in the vehicle?
In their vehicle, in our vehicle,
No, in the vehicle,
Oh.
that you observed?
just two.
Just two? And do you see any of the occupants of that vehicle here in the courtroom today?
Yes,
Okay, could you please point to an identified article of clothing that they're wearing?
he's a black shirt.
Okay, your Honor, may the record reflect that the witness had identified the defendant? Okay, and the, person who you identified here today, where was he seated?
Right.
The driver? Okay. Now, after you asked what was he smoking on, did he tell you?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so what if anything happened next?
Exit my vehicle and observe, a burnt, marijuana, rolled up in like a wood.
Okay.
Suspected marijuana,
And then,
suspected
I'm
marijuana.
sorry, suspected marijuana. And, open intox, liquor container.
Okay, now you said open intox, what was it that you observed?
I don't remember the brand or the name of it. It was like a liquor container. And then I observed a firearm and a magazine underneath the passenger seat.
Okay, now you said it was under, you observed the open intox, where was that?
Middle console.
Okay, and then, so you approached the vehicle from the passenger side?
No, I approached it so I got on my car and approached to the driver's side.
Okay,
And then I walked around to the passenger side.
okay, and is that where you said you could see your gun?
Yeah,
Okay, and how did you see that, weapon?
it was like in plain view underneath, like halfway underneath the passenger seat.
Okay, so could you see the whole thing?
No, just a piece of it.
Okay, and what piece of it did you see?
I don't remember.
Okay, will reviewing your report refresh your recollection?
Yes.
You have 2 minutes. Here, I now, approach the witness.
Yes.
Please review your report and when your recollection is refreshed. Please look at it. And, did you see, what part of the weapon did you see?
So in my report, I didn't list it, but like I said, I just seen a tan magazine and a firearm.
A tan magazine?
Yeah.
Okay, and once you made that observation, what if anything did you do?
I immediately had, the passenger step out the vehicle, and then my partner had the driver step out the vehicle.
Okay, and, after, having the passenger, step out of the vehicle, did you ascertain whether anyone had a CPO in that vehicle?
Yeah, so once we got both the driver and passenger out of the vehicle, we ran both names. And I believe, I'm not sure if the passenger had a CPO or not, but I know the driver did.
Okay, and, after, getting the, after getting them out of the vehicle, what happened with the, weapon?
I recovered the firearm first and made it safe. Then I got the passenger out the vehicle.
Okay, all right. And did you put that firearm on evidence?
Yes, ma'am.
And, did the defendant say anything?
Yes, he said, so when I had the passenger, when I placed him in our scout car, I heard the driver say the firearm was his.
The driver say what?
The firearm was his.
Okay, and was he, was that when, did you ask him if the firearm was his? When, at what point did he say that?
I didn't ask him. The passenger of the vehicle, he kept telling me that the firearm wasn't his.
Objection, hearsay.
Objection sustained.
Was there any, arguing or screaming going on at the time?
I would say screaming, yes.
Okay.
Or hollering.
Okay, and who was it that was hollering?
The passenger.
Okay, and did you, based on him, hollering, did you receive any, information that led you to believe that this gun, belonged to?
No. Now you're offering facts, not evidence? No, you need to rephrase the question.
Okay. And okay, so what was the passenger screaming?
He kept saying.
Now you asking for hearsay?
It's an objection for an excited utterance at the time.
You haven't laid a foundation for excited utterance.
Okay. When you removed the, passenger, from the vehicle, how was he acting?
Emotional.
Emotional and screaming?
Yeah.
Okay, and as he was being emotional and screaming, what?
Judge, I'm gonna object to even an excited utterance because this is already into the transaction. And the yelling, I mean.
This is not an excited utterance
No.
situation, so no, I'm not gonna allow it. On something else.
Okay, I'll move on. So when the, defendant stated that the gun was his, what if anything did you do next?
I released the passenger and me and my partner wrote the ticket. And then we towed the vehicle and conveyed the driver to the Detroit Detention Center.
Okay, and was the driver, given any tickets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you recall what those tickets were?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
No, cross.
Morning, officer.
How you doing?
Hi. Okay, so you indicated you're with a partner and you're on Pearson Street, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And, about what time is this?
I'm not sure.
Well, is it light or dark up?
Oh, it's dark now.
And what was the environment there? Were there people out or was it, just tell me, it was residential, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is a car, right? Parked?
Yes, ma'am.
Parked legally?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in your mind, and you think back, were there other people out there?
In front of the house?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so you're only traveling by this car, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you smell marijuana, correct?
Burn marijuana, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where do you stop your car?
Parallel.
Okay, and you get out, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you address my client, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Other than you're driving by now, that's your duty, you're on traffic patrol, or what do they call it, that your duty is?
Special operations.
Okay, and that means what?
So what me and my partner do, we basically do traffic stops and we look for juveniles breaking curfew.
You're looking for juveniles?
Yes, that break curfew.
Okay. Just Mr. Gardner for his registration, license, insurance, anything like that?
Did I?
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
that's a no, did you say?
I'm not sure.
Okay, Officer, what independent recollection do you have of that night? Other than reading your report? Do you have any independent recollection of what was going on out there?
Do I?
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So wasn't any block party or anything like that? You didn't see that?
It was a block party a couple houses down.
Okay. All right, I have no more questions.
Anything else?
Just, one question. Is, do you know if, smoking, consuming marijuana in a motor vehicle is a ticketable or arrestable?
It's a misdemeanor. I know it's typical. I'm not sure if it's arrestable.
Okay, all right. No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I want to call, Officer Tori,
We offer proof of what?
the tickets issued in
I
regards.
don't care about that. I'm not dealing with any tickets.
Okay. All right,
So what do
yeah.
I care about the tickets issue?
Okay.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Anything?
No witnesses.
Thank you.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, the people will request that this case be found over. We believe that there's a question of fact for the trier effect, and I reserve the argument for the vote.
Judge, if there ever was a case where these officers went fishing and got lucky, it's this case. This car, Mr. Gardner, he was legally parked. Nothing about that car drew their attention. The officer admitted it was dark out and that there possibly could have been a block party. It's a residential area. People have parties. Judge, I'm going to ask the court to dismiss this case for lack of probable cause or the stop totally. Nothing further.
Your Honor, I would say, my argument is whether there was a party going on or not, that doesn't matter in this case at this point. The officer did, see, he smelled the smell of burnt marijuana. He got out the car and investigated. He noticed the marijuana being there. According to, NCL 333.27954, the consumption of, marijuana in a motor vehicle is a ticketable offense. So upon that investigation, he saw a weapon in plain view in which he recovered for safety and made it safe as stated. And also indicated that the defendant himself stated that the weapon was his and that he didn't have a CPL.
Court having heard the testimony and argument finds as follows. From Officer Andrew Crawford that testified on August 12th, 2023. He was on patrol in full uniform in a semi-marked vehicle on Pearson Street in the city of Detroit. He observed the defendant, a vehicle parked with 2 occupants, and it was the driver. He smelled the odor of burnt marijuana, and he saw smoke coming from inside the vehicle. He stopped, asked the driver what he was smoking. He either didn't get a response or didn't remember the response. He had observed burnt, what he described as suspected burnt marijuana, in a roll of cigarette. He also saw open intoxicants in the vehicle. Then he saw a firearm and a mag sticking out from under the passenger seat. In plain view. He asked the occupant to step out. They ran both names. He doesn't remember if the passenger had a CPL, but the driver did not. And at some point, the driver volunteered that the firearm was his. It becomes a question of fact. His probable cause for an initial investigation was the smelling the marijuana smoke and seeing smoke. When investigated that, saw a firearm in plain view. for finding that the felony enumerated obtaining warrant did in fact person Detroit, probable cause of the charges. The Honorable Commissary Court Criminal Division for rating on the information, which will be October 2nd. And anything else? Continue.
Find over date, Judge.
October 2nd.
Oops. Mr. Who?
Oh, this garage. Where it's constant. Yeah, Crosby still, but it's constant. We have, Greg, he's outside. He's been here. He's waiting for, okay, we need to wait for Greg.
What was wrong with my excited utterance? They was arguing. He was loud, he was mad.
He was loud. That's not an excited utterance.
Mr. Hayes? Mr. Hayes?
Well, that might have been me on the iPhone.
Oh.
That was me.
You just hung up?
I just
Yeah,
hung
that
up.
was you then.
Yeah.
Yep, just hung up. Mr. Hayes? Oh, there you are.
Change their mind, so Frank Crosby.
Calling case number 2358659, the people of the state of Michigan versus Monty Portal. Defendant is charged with count 1, malicious destruction of personal property, $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Hayes, Assistant Attorney General here for the people, P69006.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Applebaum appearing on behalf of Mr. Portal P 36444.
Waive his appearance for the purpose of hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Appleby, I do leave at 8:30.
I apologize, Your Honor. I had problems with my calendar, a little emergency this morning. I misplaced my phone. I'm not having a good morning, but I apologize, but I'm here now. I apologize for that.
All right, is available. Twenty-fifth at 10:45.
By Zoom, Your Honor?
No, that's in person.
The 25th. I don't have my appointment book, but I will, if I'm not here, I'll make sure and send somebody on time.
All right.
Works for the people, Your Honor.
All right, anything else for the day?
No, Your Honor.
That concludes the hearing. Bonds continued.
Thank you. We'll see you on the 25th.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, thank you too. Take care now.
That's on the 25th, sir?
Yeah, yep.
Then you already sent us that.
I don't know where. Oh, nope. No. If I did, I didn't write it down. So we'll keep doing
Yeah, you did.
Alright.
Where?
it.
Aaron, where? That's 10:45.
What was it?
10:45.
Greg's file.
That's great.
So, yeah, Jim's coming.
Calling case number 2358715, the people of the state of Michigan versus John Crosby. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sahar Faraj appearing on behalf of Mr. John Crosby, who appears in person to my left. Mr. Crosby, can you please state your name for the record?
John Crosby, the third.
All right, thank you. We're ready to proceed.
Your Honor, the complaining witness, John Crosby Jr. has failed to appear. We're not able to go forward at this time.
And at this moment in time, Your Honor, we ask that this court dismiss the case against Mr. Crosby for the complaining witness's failure to show up.
All right, matter is dismissed without prejudice. Need your dismissal form, please.
I do not.
Real good.
Bring it down.
No, we're not, we're not outside, but you're good.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait out there. Thank you.
Stay right there. You take your hands out your pocket.
Calling case number 2358702, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamal Gray. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substances, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P 86029.
And Brian Brown, P 80560, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jamal Gray, who was present. Mr. Gray, please make the record.
Jamal Gray, sir.
You talk about what's appropriate to wear in court.
Yeah.
Why are you wearing a sweatshirt in my courtroom?
Oh, you said hoodie. I was committed.
No, I said sweats and t-shirts. I don't care if it has a hoodie on it or not. I don't do sweats in my courtroom.
You said sweat. I ain't got no sweat.
You have on a sweatshirt.
I misunderstood what you, I apologize. I misunderstood what you said. I got you pick hoodie and sweat, because I had them jogging things.
Yeah, you know, jogging pants, I remember.
I misunderstood. That's all.
You dressed for court, sir. All right.
You know, the Lions game was on yesterday. And that's when I probably got confused.
Mr. Brown.
But just today's a day and time for the preliminary examination. I explained to Mr. Gray the nature of the exam, the burden of proof, providing him over to circuit court. At this point in time, he's elected to waive the exam and handle this matter in third circuit court.
You have an objection?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam when the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing it. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam? You're waiving your right freely and voluntarily, your own free will, after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it. And you signed the waiver of examination form?
Yes, I did.
All right, the court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam that is bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be October 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Mr. Kuja, I don't know if Mr. Dixon is here yet, and I saw Kuja earlier. Mr. Kuja, he came earlier. I don't know if he's still out there. Yeah, he's probably still. I don't know.
Huh? Oh, okay. I'm gonna work. I got home last night. All right.
Yeah. We don't get them all.
Pick up what? Oh.
Mr. Dixon has checked in and they wish to hold. And,
Police officers and stuff.
yeah, police officers. Yeah, they're ready.
I'll get that really back. Yeah, right here. Yeah, man. Right here.
Good morning, Doc. Good morning, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm good.
The prosecutors,
Huh?
No, I think about it.
Oh. Calling case, calling case. Probably not. This is it.
Go ahead, Kitty. Go ahead.
Calling case number 2358502. The people of the state of Michigan versus Ferris Dixon. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor, Adrian Lewis for the people, P 85520.
Good morning, Honor. Jingle Puja appearing on behalf of Ferris Dixon, P71963. We're ready to proceed.
Dixon, can you state your name for the record, please? Good morning, Ferris Dixon. Thank you. Good morning. You ready?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, the people call Officer Alan Ibrahimovic. Yes.
Okay, Allen, Alen, last name Ibrahimovic.
Correct.
Perfect. Judge will swear you in.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
I'm up here. Can both of you have a seat, please?
Can you please restate your name for the record?
Alan Ibrahimovic,
And where are you currently employed?
Detroit Police Department,
And what capacity do you work in?
as a Detroit Police Officer.
And on August 16, 2023, were you working in the capacity of a police officer?
Correct.
And were you by yourself or with a partner?
I had two partners today,
And what's your partner's name?
Ayala and Kennedy.
Okay. And on that day, were you working in full or modified uniform?
Modified uniform, which is good.
Go ahead.
Detroit Police, outer carrier with my name and badge displayed on my chest, green pants and duty belt exposed.
Okay. And were you on full patrol or in a scout car?
Scout car.
Okay. And was that scout car fully marked or semi-marked?
It's fully marked.
And did your duties as a police officer take you to the area of West Chicago?
Yes.
And is that in the city of Detroit County of Wayne?
Correct.
Okay. And what were you doing in that area?
Just patrol.
And while you were on patrol, did you observe anything that caught your attention?
Yes.
What did you observe?
Observed a bike, Jeep Cherokee traveling, it would be westbound on Chicago towards that line.
Okay, and when you observed that vehicle, what if anything caught your attention about that vehicle?
Observed two males inside of the vehicle and they didn't have no seatbelts on.
Okay, and after observing that they didn't have a seatbelt on, what if anything did you do next?
Followed the vehicle northbound on that line, affected the traffic stop.
Okay. And what was your role in this traffic stop?
Say it again, ma'am.
What was your role in this traffic stop?
What was the road?
What was your role in the traffic?
Oh,
stop?
I was the driver of the vehicle.
Okay, and did you initiate the lights on the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, and upon making this traffic stop, what if anything did you do?
I exited my vehicle, approached the driver's side of the vehicle, talked to the driver. He was not able to provide insurance, travel license for me. So he was asked to step outside.
Okay, and you said there were two occupants in the vehicle? Okay, and do you see any of the occupants who you saw the vehicle that day here in the courtroom?
Yes, I do.
Could you please point to an identifier article of clothing that they're wearing?
He got a white shirt and a black blazer.
Okay, Your Honor, may the record reflect that the witness has identified the defendant? Now, where was the person who you identified here today, where was he seated?
He was the front seat passenger.
Okay, and did you make contact with him?
Eventually I spoke to him, but my partner actually made the initial contact with him.
Okay, now, you said the driver of the vehicle didn't have any, insurance or driver's license, correct?
Correct.
So, upon, making that observation, what if anything, what happened, concerning the vehicle?
I asked him to step outside. I had which was the driver of the vehicle, I had him step outside and I believe also Candid had, the passenger step outside the vehicle.
Okay, and why did you guys have him step outside the vehicle?
The driver didn't have no license, he didn't have no insurance, the vehicle was subject to get impounded, and driver can be arrested for not having a valid driver license as well.
Okay, now what if anything did you do next after, having them step out of the vehicle?
We got their information, they were identified, the way they turned northbound at the line from Chicago, they hugged the left side of the road going northbound, the window was down.
Okay, you need to, you keep saying they couldn't drive the car, only one person could drive.
The driver of
The person that's here today was the passenger, so he
Correct.
couldn't drive anything.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
yes, I will, thank you, Judge. Okay, so, was the vehicle towed?
Yes,
Okay, and prior to that vehicle being towed, did you do anything, concerning the vehicle?
yes, we did an inventory search of the vehicle.
Okay, and during that inventory search, did you, recover anything?
Yes, I recovered a handgun
Okay, and from where did you recover this handgun?
from the passenger side window regulator.
Okay, and when you say the window regulator, what does that mean? Where, that's on the door of the,
Yes, it's on top of where the handrest is at. There's a window regulator. It appeared to be loose, that it was tampered with.
Okay, and, when you say it appeared to be loose, in what way do you mean it appeared to be loose?
It was an easy access to open the panel up.
Okay, and did you open that panel?
Yes,
And did you, when you opened that panel, did you, observe anything?
yeah, there was a handgun in there.
Okay, and did you recover that handgun?
Yes, I did.
Do you recall the kind of, handgun it was?
I do not.
Okay. Did you place that on evidence?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know if anything else was recovered from the vehicle?
Yes.
What was recovered?
There was a holster.
I was gonna check, I was.
There was a holster on the passenger side as well, and another handgun.
Okay. And where was the other handgun? Did you recover the other handgun?
I did not.
Okay.
I'm gonna object that be stricken since he last.
Well, if he saw it, I mean, he can say what he saw.
Well, if he saw it, but I mean, at this point, we don't know if he's just relying on what somebody else told him they recovered. He's making it clear that he didn't.
I understand their foundation.
Okay, did you observe the second handgun?
Officer Ayala recovered a second handgun.
No further questions.
Good morning, Officer Bahimovich.
Good morning, sir.
Now, when this vehicle was stopped, it was stopped in a driveway, correct?
Yes.
On private property?
You can consider that as private property, yes, sir.
And the appearance of one of the occupants of the house even came out. I mean, it was their house, correct?
Correct.
All right. And the driver is being pulled out of the vehicle because he's driving a car without a valid license, right?
And insurance, yes.
Now, so the passenger of the vehicle has committed no crime, correct?
Correct.
You don't know who this passenger is at all, right?
No, sir.
And yeah, he's ordered out of the vehicle as well, correct?
Correct.
And he's immediately placed in handcuffs, right?
He was detained, I believe so.
So, answer yes, he was in handcuffs?
I'm not 100% sure if he was placed in handcuffs right away, but he did get placed in handcuffs. Yes.
Oh. And he was taken and seated in the back seat of your patrol vehicle, correct?
Correct.
And at this point, the decision to tow the vehicle, you hadn't reached that decision yet, correct? I understand earlier you said it could be towed.
I said he could be arrested.
The driver?
Yes.
Right? Certainly the passenger has done nothing for which you could arrest him at this point.
Correct.
Right? But nonetheless, he is handcuffed and put in the back of your patrol vehicle before you've observed anything for which he could be arrested.
Correct.
Right? Now, after
Wait. So he was handcuffed?
Yes,
So
sir.
the first was in, you didn't know?
Eventually, he got handcuffed. I just didn't know if it was immediately handcuffed or not, but he was handcuffed.
At what point was he handcuffed?
I got to refer back to the report a little bit. Is that okay with you, Judge?
Yes.
My partner observed a holster.
No, you're not with past partner observed. Well, I just need to know when he was handcuffed. You said if you look at your report, you can recall. That will help you remember.
I don't think I wrote down what time he got handcuffed, but he was handcuffed. So there's a reason behind he got handcuffed.
Judge, I'll try to ask you some questions that might jog his memory.
All right.
All right. Once he's pulled out of the vehicle, he is then taken to your patrol vehicle, correct?
I can't recall, sir.
How long between, if you recall, between when he's taken out of the vehicle he was sitting in and he ends up in your patrol vehicle? Is it less than a minute?
I really can't recall.
Oh.
But he was handcuffed. Eventually, he was handcuffed.
And this is before you searched the vehicle, correct?
Yes.
All right. Now, when you do it, and at this point, I know you said earlier that the driver could be arrested and that his vehicle impounded.
Yes.
Right? Now, you've pulled people over and not arrested them for driving a suspended license, is that fair?
Yeah, I can use my discretion, yes.
Right, so you have the discretion whether to place somebody under arrest for driving a suspended license or to just issue them a citation to appear in court for that offense, right?
Correct.
Right. And in this case, you hadn't yet made the decision which way you were gonna go, right?
Sure.
Okay. But you put them both in the back of the car.
Yes.
Or your vehicle.
Yes.
And then you decide you're going to search the vehicle they were driving, correct?
Incorrect.
Oh.
Okay, they weren't driving.
Oh, yeah. The vehicle that was driven by the other individual, the guy without a license. Let's just call it white Jeep, all right? You searched that Jeep, correct?
I did an inventory search.
Okay. And after you do that search, you then call a tow truck and decide you're gonna impound the vehicle and arrest both of these individuals, correct?
Correct.
Yes. So prior to you doing the search, the inventory search, you weren't sure which way you were gonna go, depending on what you found when you did this.
That is not true.
Okay. So, didn't you have a conversation with these guys about, hey, we're gonna search you, everything's clear, you'll be fine, nobody's getting arrested? Did you say that to them?
I can't recall what I said.
Did you watch your body cam video?
I did not. I didn't even read my report.
You don't recall having a conversation like that?
I can't recall.
Okay, no problem. Now, your partners actually first searched the vehicle, correct? Your two partners that were with you?
Yeah, they performed the inventory search of the vehicle.
Oh, they went through the vehicle, correct?
Correct.
And no gun was recovered, right?
Not at that point, no.
Right. And you went looking in some field for something, correct?
Correct.
And you didn't find anything there either, right?
No.
And then you came back and you went through the vehicle.
Yes.
Right? And when you say window regulator, you're talking about on the door panel, the button that opens the window up and down, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you had to physically take apart that door panel and go inside of it to find a gun.
No, sir. I didn't have to take the door panel off.
You have a plastic piece that has the button to roll the window up and down.
Yeah, that's
right?
the window regulator, not the door panel.
That window regulator is on the door panel,
Correct.
correct? And so you had to remove that rectangular box that's known as the window regulator. You had to remove that from the door panel, correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright, and then once you reached inside of there, you were able to retrieve the handgun.
I didn't even have to reach. I immediately seen it, sir.
But again, only once you took that window regulator out,
Correct.
right? So if somebody is just sitting in the vehicle, it would not be readily apparent that this gun is there, right? Would you agree with that statement?
I mean, it all depends on the person and what they do.
Okay. Your partners, when they looked through the car, they didn't recover any gun, right?
They did not.
Right. And what is the purpose of an inventory search to you?
To make sure the vehicle, any valuables, anything that's left behind the vehicle doesn't fall back on me.
Right. So did you document what you found in the vehicle then?
Yeah.
Did you put together a tow slip?
Oh, yeah. The tow car was filled.
See you. Was that provided to the prosecutor?
I'm not sure.
What did you put on the tow slip?
I put on the tow slip what was like if the tires were attached, whatever was in the car. How many windows, wiper blades, battery, front bumper, any scratches, it's a whole bunch of
So
stuff.
in this case, what did you put down on?
What you mean by that?
What is
It's a checklist box, so I checked what was on it.
Sir, you document if there's any damage to the vehicle. Yeah,
Yes.
you're not held responsible. Hey, there's already a scratch on the bumper. We didn't do that. The tow company didn't do that, right?
Correct.
Okay, that's one aspect of it. The other aspect is there was some valuables in there. There was a cell phone. There was some money. A watch, anything.
But nothing.
Correct?
Yeah, but I didn't recover no watch or money.
Oh, did you see that there was anything left inside of the vehicle?
Not to my knowledge, I would listen. If there was money involved, of course, I would put it in my report. I would not put it on that.
There was a backpack, right?
I can't recall.
You can't recall if there was a backpack?
I really
You
can't.
don't remember opening it?
I can't recall it,
You
sir.
remember seeing shoes, boxing gloves? You remember seeing all sorts of stuff like that?
I don't remember.
Oh. Certainly you would have put those on the inventory list, correct?
It all depends.
Depends on what?
If it's just a backpack, it's a backpack. I mean, anything of value, I consider gold, money, expensive watches, some kind of stereo system that's in the bag that's very expensive.
Is there?
In that nature.
So is there some minimum threshold that something has to?
What's the relevance to the charge?
Because Judge, it goes to whether this is an inventory search or a search for evidence.
No, it doesn't.
If he's not documenting an inventory.
He said he documented it. Now, whether or not he documented every little piece of whatever that was in that car is irrelevant. So no, go on to something
I'll move
else.
on. Is it your policy that you're going to tow a vehicle even if it's on private property?
If the crime has been committed on the street prior to the vehicle making a stop, yes, it is. I will impound the vehicle if that vehicle needs to be impounded.
Why would a vehicle need to be impounded?
Because it's not supposed to be on the road without no insurance.
And in this case, the vehicle was not on a road, right? It was not on a public roadway.
It was.
When you towed it off of private property.
Correct. The
that
violations
yes or no,
happen on
sir?
the street, sir.
Sir,
You asked me a question, sir.
and it could be answered yes or no. When you towed it, it was towed off of private property, correct?
Correct.
Alright, and the owners of that property did not want you to tow it, correct?
Of course not.
Yeah, you know the questions are.
Just, one question, did you, prior to the inventory search, did you, ascertain whether you were gonna tow the vehicle?
Yes.
No further question, no further.
Can you refer the call?
Just one more, I guess, possibly have a question. You said you were wearing a body cam?
We all did, yes, sir.
Alright, so you and your partner were wearing body cam?
Yeah.
Judge, I asked if she would stipulate the introduction of his body cam. She said no, can lay a foundation, so I'm asking him to lay a foundation, introduce.
Well, it's outside of promise. You didn't go into all that.
Oh, no problem, Judge.
All right, that's it, right?
Yeah.
You can step down.
Thanks.
No further.
Judge, you want to call Officer Kennedy?
You know, approved.
He's wearing a body camera that shows exactly when this man was handcuffed.
Okay, come on,
And-
approach, need your approach.